Hello guys, how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Many users faced issues when upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11. One of the most common ones is the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues. And the main reason behind this issue is network interference, outdated network driver, and many more. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings, go to network and internet. Thereafter, right side, choose the option Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and choose the option Network Reset. Under Network Reset, select Reset Now. Let the window complete the process. Follow on screen instruction. Also, under System Settings, run a Network Troubleshooters. Choose Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters, internet connections troubleshooter. Run these troubleshooters. It will detecting issues. Follow on a screen instruction to complete the network and internet connection troubleshoot process. Then again go to Windows search. Type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute this command to network reset via command prompt. Reset TCP, IP and DHCP parameters. It will execute the command. The next workaround is open device manager, expand network adapter section, here right click on your network adapter and choose its properties and switch to power management tab and place a check mark next to allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Make the check against option and click on OK. Same, if this method does not work, uninstall network adapter driver. Finally, confirm on installation. Thereafter, restart your system. It will automatically install network adapter driver. Thereafter, press Windows plus A shortcut to open the Action Center. Click on the arrow icon next to Wi-Fi. Your network connection will appear here. Right click on the network and open its properties. On the Wi-Fi settings page, place a check mark next to connect automatically when in range. Make the check against this option. Also select private network as the network profile type. The next workaround is again go to Windows search, type services. In services windows, find out the option WLAN auto config of services. WLAN wireless LAN auto config option. Double click on it and choose a startup type as automatic and click on the start option if it will not enabled, and finally click on apply and then OK button to save the changes.